Start the music because I made $7,000 in just 7 days for make short videos with AI. But how? Listen, in 2023, if you want to be a content creator and you don't want to make shorts videos, probably you're living in a city of fools, bro. You have no idea how much views you can generate easily by creating just short videos and earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. Leave it. You just look at here. This is my motivational and self-improvement shorts channel and I made $7,000 in just 7 days with AI. These are some steps I go through when I start making videos. Those are channel branding, content idea, content script, voiceover, voice editing and video publish. First, I want to talk about channel branding. I created a YouTube account with a Gmail, but I couldn't find a good name for my motivational channel. In this case, ChatGPT will help me perfectly. So, if we say in ChatGPT, suggest me 10 motivational YouTube channel names, then see how easily and nice channel name ChatGPT suggests to me. This one is different. Now I use it. And then I will ask ChatGPT to write a good description for my channel. And see, that's great. Now we will back to the channel and use the name and description was given by ChatGPT. Can you tell me one thing? What is the most important things after channel name and description? A good profile and cover picture, right? So for this reason, I will use Canva app. Go to the Canva and search for motivational channel logo. And just see, there are thousands of ready-made logos. You just need to customize and download the logo. And I'm searching for my best YouTube logo. See this one. This one is so pretty. Now I customize it. Oh, that one is great. And finally, we need a banner for our channel. For this, again, we will go to Canva and search motivational YouTube channel art. Look how beautiful channel art is ready. Let's edit on this. When the edit is finished, we will save or download it and we will go to upload in our channel. See here, your channel is now completely ready. Now we will upload the first video on this channel and you will be surprised to know that this first and every video we will make with the help of AI. So now we will go to the ChatGPT and write for the first video topic of this channel. Example, give me 10 list of topic ideas for YouTube shorts in this self-improvement niche. Now take a topic from here and ask to write a complete video script. Suppose we will use this one and ask ChatGPT write a 60-second script on this topic. And see, he will also do that perfectly. So the script of this video is almost finished. Next our task will be to record a voice with this script. In this case, the 11 Labs website will help us very well. We just paste the script on the website. And here is the result.
Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends.
Allow the world to live as it chooses and allow your...
But I would suggest you, if you really want to work on YouTube, then record with your own voice. Because no matter how good the voiceover website gives you, that voice record will not give that realistic feel like a human. And people will not like it so much. So I fully recommend it to you that record with your own voice. And last thing is video editing. The part that gives us more trouble after voice recording is video editing. Video editing takes a lot of times from us, but I will show you a way where you can easily make hundreds of short videos in just a minute. We'll go to Canva app and we will click on this template button on the left side. Then I will click on this video button and just look at here how many great and beautiful video templates are pre-made in this Canva app. You just edit or customize video template of your own style and save it. Suppose we wanna use this one and we will customize this video as I like. See how I am doing that. And finally we finish the video editing and we will save the video. Then publish the video on YouTube with a good title, good description and good text, etc. And congratulations, you have uploaded your first YouTube video using AI. If you upload every day and release 3 to 5 good YouTube Shorts videos, you can easily start making lots of money from YouTube. But I wanna tell you one thing, it's not that easy as I said. I am just showing the easy and best way to earn money from YouTube. You have to gather deep knowledge, work hard and consistency about your work. And also you have to make good quality of content. If you can do this, then you can earn well from YouTube. And this is my another video where I talk about the secret of ChatGPT and fully explain how you can earn thousands of dollars through ChatGPT. So if you haven't seen the video, watch it right now.